and today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog, Christmas style. So, let's get started, okay? I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to pull a line downward right here for Knuckles, for Shadow's brow. His brow line is going to be, you know, like a V shape almost. Up over here, and down right here. Back over here, up, line right there. Curve along this side, downward over here, up. Curve along this side over here, and down. So we got like that kind of lens. It almost looks like glasses, right? Like a glasses shape, and the Sonic has that exact same thing. A lot of these characters do too, but Shadow has it as well right there. I'm gonna pull a line outward, down, because Shadow has this like cool eyeliner thing going on. Up over here, like so, on both sides. Continue over here. Curve around the corner for the tip of the nose here, down, curve up along the side over here. Right there. And let's go over here. A line right there. He's a little bit annoyed, right? Shadow's always like annoyed. He's basically, yeah, he's always annoyed. Line right there. All right, let's go over here. Up, curve down, in, and line right there for the nose. We're drawing it over because we're going to be putting a black shape over that. Circle over here, fill it in. Right there. And we're going to fill almost all of it except for that highlight. We could have put a highlight all the way down. That's possible, but, you know, it's not like totally necessary. Curve right here. And right here, you can see more of the eye on that side, right? Line right there for a highlight, dot for the center, line right here for a highlight, dot right here for the center. Line over here, line over here. Curve along the eye right there. All right. Up over here for the ear, down. Okay. Line over here, down for the inner ear. Whew. Line up over here, but we're not going to draw that all the way up. This one we're going to draw the hat. By the way, if you like this so far, hit the like button. That really makes a huge difference. Lets me know what you guys like. It helps the algorithm, helps everything. Okay, let's get back into this. So across the head, I'm going to do these little zigzag. Over here on this side, we're going to make a little zigzag as well. Little zigzag across here. And maybe over here behind his ear, you know, like he's got the hat sitting on his head. He's got that Santa hat. All right, we're going to start over here on this side, and we're going to pull down over here for one of his spikes, up, down, in. Okay? We're going to have the hat out over there. It's going to be hanging over the other side. Down over here, edge of the hat. Curve in. And then right here, the other part of the hat, right there. Curve, curve. Over here on this side, we're going to go up, down, right there for the other ear on the other side. And then now we're going to throw the little ball at the end of the hat right here. So, and I'm going to make it a little fuzzy, you know, make it fuzzy just to kind of make it easier there. We're going to have his spike come out from here. So back over there, curve down, down over here, up, down, up over here. So right now it looks like Sonic with some weird spikes, but we're gonna give him kind of the shadow treatment, right? So right now we're gonna draw a line right here in the center, up right there. Over here on this side, curve over here. Over here on the side, down, up, down, up over here. Right on. And let's add some more shadowy stuff. I mean, we could just leave it as is. Or you could draw right here the area of his chest right here. So it's a zigzag up. It's got like that fur on his chest. Zigzag up over here. Right there. And maybe you can draw a line down. Down, so it's like a vignette, right? You draw another line down for the torso. And down for the torso. Line over here. Line over here. All right, going good. Now let's see what are the things we can do. I would say one thing you could easily do, okay, super easy, and I recommend it, is you go over here and you create a little bit of a thicker line on the outside of the character. While we're doing that, don't forget, check out the the free cute drawing ebook in the description, and go check out all the cool stuff on the Gumroad. The Gumroad has Christmas stuff on there as well. Some free stuff to download, some tools. Definitely, if you download, please do me a favor and leave me a review on Gumroad. Like I said, go take a look at that. It is totally free, and just kind of stuff to kind of get you started and kind of do that sort of thing. But like I said, it is really fun, really exciting. It is a good time of year, and I want to thank you very much for doing that. But yeah, join the club. I'm also going to start reviewing people's drawings. So if you have a drawing, you can send it. I haven't really started the community yet, but to do that, you're going to join the new one. I'm going to do it on a website called Circle. I haven't done it yet, but when I do, I will tell you. But yeah, I'm just kind of warming up the idea, but I will probably have it out by the next week or this week for sure. It's got to fix some stuff on there, see how it works. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Talk to me in the comment section, and I'll see you soon, okay? Stay here. Let's move on to the next drawing lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.